Hey amigas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe for those of you who are new, and for all of my returning friends. Hi amigas, I miss you guys so much and I'm so excited to get ready with you all today. I am doing this really cute bomb princess just pretty look today. Okay, we're just gonna call it a pretty look. We'll figure out a name later, or maybe you guys can give me some ideas and comment them down below. So today I am going to a holiday party in Washington DC. I wanted to put together a really pretty look that I feel like anyone can do. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the familia down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Lemonade, and TikTok. My social tag is the same all the way through and everything will be linked down below. So let's get started with this get ready with me for a holiday party / tutorial. So my skin is already prepped and ready to go. As you can see, it's so beautiful and bouncy. I will link my skincare tutorial down below so you guys can check it out. That will be posted on Instagram. Because I just really believe that if you take care of your skin, your makeup will be fire, which is something I communicate to you guys all the time. And now I am going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 12. And I'm gonna add like a little more foundation than I normally do, just because like I do want to give like Barbie doll glam, just a little bit. You know me guys, you know usually I don't really go for like that heavy glam, but I'm in the mood today. And there is nothing like a clean sponge, that fresh first day sponge, and my skin feels amazing too. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and highlight my face. I'll be using the Clinique highlighters, and these are called the Even Better All Over Concealers. I have the shade Golden Neutral 46, and I have Cream Caramel in the shade 98. But I do like to start off with the darker color and then use my brighter color for the inner part of my eye, like in this area. Are you all excited for the holidays? Because I definitely am. I just moved into my new apartment and my couch is coming in literally like 2 days. And I'm super excited because I cannot wait to start hosting like holiday parties. Like I feel like I'm gonna be in my hosting era this year. I'm in my dream apartment right now with my dream career. Okay, now that that is on, doesn't it look really cute? Everything's just like, ugh, looking like skin. I love highlighting. Highlighting is like so much fun. Comment down below, how do you like the makeup so far? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and set, and I'll be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 2 Medium. I also like to apply some on my lids and right below my brow bone, just because those are areas that I do tend to get oily in. Now it is time to go in and blush, and I'll be using this blush wand by Charlotte Tilbury. This is called PINKGASM. So bomb and super highlighted. It's like really gorgeous. So I'm actually gonna go in with another blush wand, and this is a Glowgasm High Blush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that on. And I'll be going in with my bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. This is called the Hula Toasted Matte Bronzer. I believe that's like what the full name is. I'll make sure to link it down below. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a deeper bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is called the 4 Deep Fonce Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. I've actually never like combined these two, so I'm excited to see how this is going to look. I feel like it's gonna look really good. Wow, guys, look at how gorgeous that looks. I'm obsessed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and kind of just blend these two bronzers out. I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm just gonna grab the same pigment that I used for my bronzer the first time. let's go in and highlight, and I'll be using the Glowgasm wand. This is in the actual shade Glowgasm. I really love this wand because it's like super pigmented. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Beach Stick Lip to Cheek Dewy Color Pop. Now I'm gonna go in with Brow Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade Medium Deep. I always amaze myself when I do brows, just because brows can be a challenge sometimes. Now it is time to do eyes. So I will insert a photo of the inspo look right here. I feel like this is just giving like very glammy eyes queen, and I just love it. And because I haven't figured out my outfit for tonight, I just figured this look will go with anything. So I'm gonna start off with the base color, and for the base color I'm gonna use Charlotte's Super Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually gonna start off with this color here. Just that alone looks amazing. The color is literally flawless. Okay, so for the next step I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here, and I'm just gonna do that in my crease. Okay, so next I am gonna go in with a brown liner on my top lid up here, because it looks like from the picture that she had a liner applied. I'm gonna go in with a darker shade of brown using the same palette, and I'm actually gonna like add a little bit more dimension where we just added the eyeliner. I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of color to my bottom eyelash, and I'll be using this pretty brown shade. It was the first brown that we used. And I use this really pretty color right here. I actually want to deepen my crease, so I'm going to go in with this pretty deep brown color. Alright girlies, so I just applied my lashes, and these are the Ardell Wispy lashes. I will find the link and add it down below so y'all can get your lashes. It's time to go in and add our mascara. I'll be using the Exagger-Eyes Volume Mascara by Charlotte Tilbury. Absolutely obsessed with this mascara at the moment. I love like the curve shape that it has. I feel like it helps with like plumping up the lashes. Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay, so I really love the direction we are going in. So I'm gonna go in with a black liquid liner and do a really thin black liner on my top lid, just to add a little more darkness to the look. This looks absolutely precious. Like guys, get into this glam. Okay, so I'm back, and I had to step away because I wanted to look at my closet and check out like what kind of look I was going for, and I picked my outfit, and it's this really cute pink knit dress. I feel like it's giving holidays, but it's very much giving me. I love the sleeves, and because I'm going this route, I'm feeling like a pretty brown or pinkish kind of lip color. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Yeah, we're gonna grab my favorite lip combo and then add a pop of like a really pretty lipstick on top. And so the combo I'll be using today is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's her lip cheek collection, and I have the shade Pillow Talk 2, and I also have the shade Foxy Brown. So we're gonna start off with Foxy so I can line my lips. That looks so good. Add a little bit more light. Does that help you guys? I forgot to turn my light back on. Now I'm gonna go in with the mauve color, the Pillow Talk medium, and just add it to my lips and literally apply it where the lips where I applied the last lip shade, just a little lower. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with a really pretty Prada color. So this is called the Soft Matte Lipstick, Prada Monochrome. It doesn't say the color on here, but it does have a number on it. So as soon as I look up the number on their website, I will make sure to add the lipstick shade and link down below. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm glad I went with this color. I was gonna go with a more brownish pink, but I feel like this will like make that pop. I'm gonna go in and blend my darker liner just so that there's just a little bit of cohesiveness. All right, my love, so we are all done getting ready. Let me know what you guys think of the look. I am gonna go in and apply some of the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Ooh, that looks so good. All right, my loves, well, thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial with me and just getting ready in general. This is like a really fun new type of video that I just recently started doing. So if you all love getting ready together, let me know. I am super excited for tonight. I have not seen my girl in a hot minute and I'm just so excited to go out and look cute. Let me know what you guys think of the look. It's just giving like very playful. If you loved this get ready with me / makeup tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Make sure you follow me on my social platforms, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm also on Lemonade. Everything is linked down below.